What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know the attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, you hear me I say right now, Zin? Because it seems like some people don't know how me. No, them don't know, like, them just a watch me. Them just a hear about the channel and them just a see the attacking boss. So when me come forward now, my people, over and over I cover these type of things, you know. And me attack them. If me come and me say, yo, are the same thing they do it. By the look of it, you can't tell see how it do it. Zin, remember, the attacking boss now them prediction, them people, without it connect. Don't it? Okay. A lot of story me cover, me tell the people and the case so it go before the story finish. I lie, me real people know the attacking boss. A lot of story me cover. Be chesting at this NEWLINK. And before, when it happen, me can say, yo, as such response. In? Okay. So this thing go on now, my viewers and subscribers. Yes. Wicked boy. Satanic, evil, devil-minded, dirty thinking, sinking. Yes, boy. Family come and beg for you. Eh? Boy, young go have a look of anger. A look of what? Hey, boy, I want to text. Hey. So let me tell you this, my people. Me come to boom drop my vlog yesterday. Me talking my vlog and me say, the boy I him. Me say you don't need glass. This is how it do it. Don't it? Brother come and brother talk and brother want to talk and brother don't give me and me don't talk it in my vlog. Because if you can't read between the lines, these are work I've been doing, people. Day by day, how much years attacking boss been attacking story like this? Eh? How much years I'm a different type of vlog I want to feel to understand and stop. You understand? Underestimate me thing. Because me telling them, my people, see how they don't dirty thinking same thing do it. Me predict it. Me see it, people. Me see the evil through it. You understand? It's spiritual, it's mutual, like it. See it there now, today our NEWLINK. Thursday, the 23rd of June, 2022, my viewers and subscribers. Big thing one. Remember, you know, them hold the board in the yard with mommy there. From Claren down the crime commit, straight back down to Trelawny, Jamaica. Okay, upon the other side. Alright. Them hold it, carry themselves, do what I do. Zin. But you don't say to them now upon the Thursday, people. Me done telling you everything already, leak everything. Confession don't make long time. But if fully come forward to the public, same confess, but the attacking boss don't know all of those. You know, see the vlog them have been doing. Hey, I see how much I want to diss me. Oh, you know, see him NEWLINK. Stop talking about the boy, you know nothing about the boy. Hey, and maybe baby father, maybe this, maybe that. Oh, I'm telling you, man. When I fall, I'm name attacking boss. Dirty thinking boy, I sell ganja up there. Zin, the man set up selling something in my yard. The boy come at the yard and I do whatever I do my people. You man say, you know what police context set and this and that. My people at this argument that start from, you know. Until things squash reach down to that, but that's the main thing I start from. What I'm telling you, me say, me name attacking boss. Me name NEWLINK. So when I name NEWLINK, that means all type of link reaching out to NEWLINK. You understand? So when I see me come forward, I say, yo, I am do it. Look through the boy. See it there, the wicked double-minded, the same thing, people. Come on. So the police them talk to them, no? You're not surprised? Me not telling you already. So why you not act like you're not surprised? And I say, whoa, me can't believe this. Because you don't rate me. But me don't tell you already. Yeah? The boy confess fully. So the public know now because they put the part type of media. Yes, he confessed that. Police now go into details, but me don't hear everything. Him talk. And the boy do it. The boy powder the house, people. See? So them stone blood knockout in a sleep. See? The first strike was mommy. Then the teenager. The boy do it age by age going down, my people. You understand? When them knock out in a sleep, people, the boy done. Yo, The weapon well garlic, you know, my people. The boy done sharpen the something with a machine. The shop when go sharpen it, don't reach out to the attacking boss already. You understand? The boy go to a machine shop and sharpen it. As me telling her something where he plan. He plan get away everything him done have lawyer long time in advance before this thing happen. Him prepare everything. Zin, the boy talk to people about it. Some of them are going to talk for now. Me think a joke in did I make. We didn't take him serious. We didn't see same thing and look at him. The brother come forward and said that sometimes you have an anger problem. You all see the anger in him. And you never take him serious. You don't feel a way on yourself now. How do you all feel in yourself right now to know that this piece of sin thing did come forward? You understand? Come to now. Me go blow up all of them. Every one of them. What kind of thing them wanna keep lightly? When you can't take this thing for joke, when I go say, man, no Lord, this man, nobody pray that man. When you see him better move. Eh? When you see the same thing I move. Go through the boy Facebook people and look from this year and 2017. Come up and look where I do. The boy have a mind to be a wicked same thing. Eh? The boy take some picture from some American soldier where fight the war them from over 19 long 2000 and that from United World Trade Center get licked down from Saddam and Bin Laden days. And take his face and put in at them. So you know what type of mentality this a same thing have ya? You know what type of mindset this a same thing you have, my people? But you all see what happened now. And this is the question I've been asking. I've been pleading. I've been bawling out. I've been crying out. I've been reaching out. And I'm saying, all you are feeling on yourself. My people, it hurt. It hurt. It hurt. Yo, you know me hear me a vlog. You know hear me attack someone on the chat. You know say me exaggerate. When me can't go and say can't ball out of throat, sir. Yo, you don't understand. I'm a work me I do. You understand? I'm a work, and this is something where I feel naturally and spiritually inside of me. You understand? That's why when me I do my vlog them my people, and you hear me attack, it naturally flowing from me. Zin, a wicked sick people, yo, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Me tell you this, my viewers and subscribers, big man thing. You know me kill 4 already though. But me can't tell them me no kill 5 in my life. Because every time when me if you do that, my people honestly, yo, me afraid. Zin, me afraid. You understand? So most time people, when even my 4 grandparents, they used to do them thing and raise chicken. And them a do it, me would be one for cut, you know. Me be one for pick the feather them. You understand? Because when that start sprinkler run brother all over the place, me afraid people. You know? But yo, me never have the art there, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja know. Me can't find the art there. So me want to know, yo brother. People, no, this not, yo. Oh, you better tell me, say what went no Mali, no cocaine, no bad bush, yo, no rum, nothing. What can make film brain lead to do something like this? Me and them are going to come talk about, say, yo, blood sacred. Blood sacred what? We don't see the same thing as satanic sin thing for a long time. My people learn this. All of we were born in sin. Everyone of we on earth born in a sin. But somehow we born for the devil. You understand? We born for the devil. Because the devil makes some money, you know. Somehow we on earth, I don't know whatever. And the devil makes some money. Yes, God is the creator. But the devil do farm. When man go there work and the devil didn't create this. And the only thing is, you can find yourself and find that mindset to find the Almighty. But yo, for your corners dark, you know, man. Dark like midnight. Dark like one of them caves where they way up the summer people. Dark. You cannot see nothing. Zin? But one thing I can say, my people, on a real level, as me tell you now, me feel it to my heart. And John asleep, you know. John asleep. You know? John asleep. This. You see this, my people? This, my government of Jamaica, me say it over and over. Me, as long as there's them where the Almighty give me life on earth, any amount when give me, my people, I will never take my finger and put in an ink and put nothing to say vote again. You know why, my people? Listen. For we country yard, Jamaica, when we have so much cruel piece of sinking done there, even if we say then, alright, we now go get certain people that thing are my people. But on a real level, look, other country I do it. How much country I do it? Eh? When we as a small look at something like that on the map, and we in a rate and we have some of the most cruelest and wickedest set of sinking pan land, my people. And we shall allow this piece of sinking like this, not it. Yo, brother man, mad. Yo, sorry. Yo. Yeah? You if you allow sinking like this now, brother. Zin, man, a leveling of the people. He might go in there, right? And he might go, please say you're guilty and this and that and whatever, my people. Hey, what, yo, brother, yo. A 4 picnic life that gone in the star. 4 picnic in a brother. 4 in a youth. 4 plus the mother in a yo. 4. What kind of country we have done? No. What kind of country we have? Reality, what kind of country we have? What kind of government? What is now, people? What we need to see? What we need to see? For what we government need to do? Yo. People, what we need to see? Honestly, how much more will happen before we country can start get wicked a penalty for criminals like these? Honestly, God a cry, man. Yo, star, them thing are wicked in a yo. Yo, them thing are cruel. Yo, 4 little pitney in a yo. Even people, honestly, you go come forward, zin. Then imagine people, yo, star, yo, just imagine, right, people? Yo, just imagine my viewers and subscribers. Imagine. You know what I mean? Imagine, yo, what kind of art even these police have who have him and a question him and a talk to him. What kind of art you have? What kind of conscience? How you do it? If you feel somebody like this who do something like this, how you feel when you not do it? I know the work. How you feel? No, I know. You understand? Because your people, me couldn't face it. Only thing me could do is finish it. You know. You have the heart. You got name now in a youth. Same thing. You got drink all. Yo, my paper, that's why I see this and I couldn't do it and show myself, you know. Hey, God. People, love you, you know. Big up on yourself, man. You hear? We don't understand, you know. I'm going to tell everybody every day, so look here. You see me a vlog, yeah? And I do it over the years, my people. The other people know me stay. You understand, people? But that's why I do my vlog different. You know what I mean? Because my thing are from my heart, my people. You see me? I know I have me skip them when I do my reaction and I talk about these, I do my look. But it's when it come on to things like them, my people. I'm from my heart. And nothing pretty. You know? Could have been my family, them, you know, man. Eventually by Jawils, I will family them. But stay safe. You hear my viewers and subscribers and the one there in the Caribbean all over. Please comment me know which part in the from my people. Left some flag for me, please. Because more soon, you know, more know the from because more know the feel, my people. Big up to the whole of the peace officers, them who do the right thing and burn out the governmental system. Who still have a people been in a bondage, my people. January. The people, love you all. Let's see how long, yo. Stay safe. Remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Here, thank you all so much. God no, big up.